Hello students, I wanted to record a really quick screencast to give you an overview of our Blackboard setup. So here is what the Blackboard should look like to you. You can see everybody in the course, you can look at the course description, but what we're concerned about is over here. So this is where our WebEx Classroom is. You'll click on this link and it will take you to our WebEx Classroom. And at the top, when you get there, it says Virtual Meetings. You'll open the Virtual Meetings and you'll find that class meeting. And you'll be able to click on that and visit the class meeting and join us on Thursday nights at 5:30. Returning to the Blackboard, you also have access to the class Prezi. I will use Prezi to direct us in our classroom sessions. And you will have access to this. I have to change the number there, but this week's is actually currently active, and we're going to go through an activity where we're thinking about what is educational technology. So this will act as a collection of all of the activities and information that we will engage throughout the semester. The next link is to the class mural. We're going to use mural as kind of a gathering point for all of the materials and all of the stuff we're going to do. It's basically a giant whiteboard canvas. And so we're going to use this throughout the next couple of weeks to collect the in-class activities we do. For example, this week we're going to define educational technology together, and then we're going to create a couple of infographics and post them here. So those are the three links you need to be familiar with. This is to get to the classroom for Thursday nights. This is the class Prezi that we'll use on Thursday nights to kind of scaffold where we're going and what we're doing. And the class mural is where we will submit our in-class activities. If you have not already, you want to go to the Start Here link and look at the Welcome and Course module. You have a couple of things to do here. First of all, you want to look through this information. You can visit this website for a little bit more about me if you'd like, but you also need to record a Flipgrid introduction. This will take you here. There's a video to play that gives you the instructions, and then you will go down here and you will add a response. Click on Add the Response. Record yourself sharing. You can see we've got one already. This will allow us to know a little bit more about you, where you're currently working, what you're doing, anything you feel is important to share. After you've done that, you'll note I do have a Google number. If you need to get a hold of me, you may text me there and we can have a conversation. The overview, it's important that you look through the overview and that you look at the objectives. At the bottom here, you'll notice you can download the syllabus, and so you'll want to do that. Make sure you download the syllabus and you read through it. When you've completed the welcome, there's the syllabus again. You'll go to the Module 1 Introductions and Frameworks. Each week will follow the same structure. I'll give you an overview. Make sure you read through it so you have an understanding of the purpose of that week. The objectives. The weekly readings will be embedded here. You have two articles to read. You have the TPAC framework article here. It's a PDF, and the SAMR PDF that you need to read before class on Thursday. I also have provided you with a couple of videos that I would like you to watch as well. TPAC in 2 minutes, SAMR in 90 seconds, and 21st Century Learning. Please make sure you have completed the readings prior to class on Thursday night. We have a discussion product as well. After you've completed the readings, you'll want to complete this discussion topic. You'll go in and you will write your answer here and you will submit it as a response. You'll need to have that done before 5:30 on Thursday as well. Lastly, digital portfolio creation. I ask you this week to start, at least have your link. At least create the link to your digital portfolio. This is the assignment guide. You will want to download and read this assignment guide so that you can get started on making your digital portfolio. Have that ready to go on Thursday night. It is important for us to get off on the right foot, so please make sure you have gone to the Start Here and you've consumed the Welcome and Course Overview, you've read the syllabus, and make sure you go in and you've looked over the module week structure. Discussion Product 1 needs to be completed, and you should create your link. At least create a template link to your digital portfolio for Thursday night. Students, if you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I will happily respond. Thank you so much.